Previously on the Gumption Chronicles.
Previously on our last episode. I don't know why they even have you do that when I could clearly be doing it myself just the same.
Fine then, I'll do your job.
That wasn't at all what I was trying to say. Previously on the Gumption Chronicles,
Chode.
the whole town of Gumption City has been run amok by an apocalyptic posse of unprecedented perpetrators of an undead nature. By equally unprecedented means, our heroes discover their randomly gifted superpowers to defeat the unencephalic army. Were these powers a result of the unmarked vial they'd hastily consumed earlier, or are they part of an even bigger anomaly from which the zombies may have been wrought forth? Quit scrolling through YouTube, watch this, and find out.
Oh! My chemistry friend! He had more people someday!
Hey kid, remember me? Hey
Whoa. That shit was fucking potent.
Yes, I agree. I swore I could actually shoot fireballs from my hands.
Dude, I watched you do it!
Okay, chemistry friend. I think we will be taking a full vial of that.
Well, alright, that's $4.50.
There you are, friend. 450 peanut shells. And don't forget, LARPing on Sunday.
It's been a pleasure doing business with you.
Brought to you by Durpenshlee. And remember, if it doesn't say Durpen, it's not Durpenshlee.